This is what you call factory farming. There's 14 houses here, they're chicken houses. And those chickens are in there and they're crammed. These chickens are fed through feeders, given antibiotics, also give them a little bit of bleach to help the digestive system. But it's not a healthy condition and you're eating this stuff. How do we take control of it? Well, as consumers, we demand that, there be humane raised pork, chicken, beef, and we need to take control of our food sources, have our own food. That way you know what you're growing, you know what's going in it, you know what you're eating. Not everybody can do that, but with your dollars, you kind of change the perception on a lot of this. Sorry about all the noise. Trying to make this video. Thanks for stopping in. Come back and see me again. Share, comment, like. Spend your dollars wisely. God bless.